Hello everyone, Georgios Papadopoulos here with COMNET protocols. Today we will explore MAC address notation conventions, how MAC addresses are written, read and sent over the Ethernet technology based on RFC 2469. So let's get started. So we have seen that the human-friendly or human-readable representation of a MAC address is typically shown as 6 groups of 2 hexadecimal digits separated by colons or hyphens. For example, here we have the MAC address 12345678 and BC, where each pair of hexadecimal digits represents 8 bits, so the total length is 48 bits or 6 bytes. Such human-readable MAC address are usually written in most significant bit first. Now, inside the computer's memory, this MAC address is stored as 6 bytes or 48 bits in straightforward consecutive binary form. When sent over the wire, more specifically over the Ethernet technology, the most significant byte, be careful, octet, is transmitted first, left to right. So first the group 1, 2, and then the group 3, 4, and so on will be transmitted. However, inside each byte, be careful, not across the whole address, the least significant bit, or LSB, is sent first, which is actually the individual group or IGB bit. This notation is called canonical format of MAC addresses, also known as the standard notation, the LSB format, or the Ethernet format. Last but not least, this standard notation is used, for example, in the output of the ifconfig and IP address commands. And that's it for MAC address notation conventions. Thanks for watching and see you in the next COMNET protocols tutorial.